Hey Brewers, it's Friday. It's time to check out on that Cooper's brew I've been shooting my mouth off on. All haze, no grains, 15-minute hazy IPA with some cryo shit, baby. Let's go have a little sippy poo. Oh, it looks like I've been making a mess here without even knowing it. Sounds like me. Let's have a little pourski. All right, so nice pour, good carbonation. Click. All right, so remember how I talked about using that bootmaker in the mix? It's a little darker. I mean, it matches the Cooper's hazy that you see out there on the Squinternet, but I'd much prefer if this was yellow, not orange. But step one, right? Let's have a little smelly poo. Nose is a beaut. Getting that cryo pop, that citra in there. All right. Got some haze. It's definitely, I can't see you. You can't see me. Haha. Got some peach notes in there. Not too shabby. You know what I mean? Like for a 15-minute brew, no fancies, just hops and cans. Not too fucking bad, I must say. I could get loaded on this, or somewhere between 5 and 6% on this. I didn't bother taking a final gravity. Not too bad. Definitely the best Cooper's IPA I've ever had, that's for damn sure. But you know, it's just not quite up to grain to glass standards on the hops, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put this down. And then, I don't know if you saw this video about using this shit. If you didn't, you fucked up, but here's a quick, we're gonna use it one more time. I'm gonna drag this sucker out. Man, what is leaking here? Like, anyway. Drag this out a little bit. We're gonna disconnect our gas. Purge that. Get our hop filter. Get some full star sand. Just get our star sand on. And I got another Cryo Citra Cryo Mosaic. So we're gonna do this video again. We're gonna do all Hefe wheat, and we're gonna try something a little different. Maybe we're gonna do one all Hefe wheat, we're gonna do one all Cerveza, and pop the fuck out of it. So keep an eye out for that. But for the time being, we got some more Cryo Mosaic. And Cryo Citra, my very sanitary mouth method of opening, as always. El Mon, that smells good. All right, boom, boom. Once again, I am unprepared. I don't have the old, you know, the cleaning of the teeth. Floss, thank you. All right, drop her in like a bomb. Ah, okay, boom, and it's gonna start foaming. It's gonna start foaming. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. And sealed. And now that is gonna be some fucking hops, baby. It's already good. Like, it's already good, but like, I've already spent 90 bucks on this brew. Let's make it a hundo. C-note hazy. C-note for Cooper's. C-note for, oh, I don't know, perfect pitch, right? Don't get too fucked up. I'm already there. See you next Friday.